Good morning, everyone. Happy Merry Christmas. Today I'll be unboxing some Ninja and some mini and the figure mini. So Makima, Chainsaw Man. Yeah, thank you guys. And ignore the background because the background's loud. So here you go. So there's I forgot their names, most of them. So makima. If I just, how do you open this, by the way? It's like a. Oh yeah, you open it from the side. Okay, so sorry, we're back. Don't mind the lighting. Focus. Okay. So we got Makima, or like calling on the show. It's Makima with hair moving, or yeah, there's a little more. So I was wondering, I couldn't show you how I opened it because it's a weapon and I can't show weapons since it's on YouTube. So, okay. So we got Makima understand. Oh yeah, this video is gonna be kind of short, like a couple of minute video, because I don't really have anything to show. But next will be one of those two. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say goodbye, and I'm just not gonna put it on Amazon because I'm too lazy. So I'll see you guys next video. Yeah, I can't record.